Hello friends, welcome back. In this tutorial, we are going to learn create table using another table. And also we will learn how to insert data from another table. Hey, if you are new into my channel, make sure you have pressed the subscribe button below. And if you like this video, don't forget to press the like button. And if you have any questions and any suggestion, write down in the comment section. Let's begin. First, we will see the syntax. So before creating the table, I will tell you something that specifically the new table should also have the same number of columns, or if you want, you can take some specified column, which what it will help, it will basically help that you don't need to write down the create table query, and also don't need to mention the data type for each column, okay, because you have already created in the old table. So let's see the syntax first. The syntax is create table name, then you need to press as. Now select, if you want to take all the columns from the another table, then you need to write down start from a reference table. Reference. And if you don't want to take all these columns which are present in a reference table, so for this what you have to do, you have to specify the column name instead of star. So column name 1, column name 2, and likewise you can take multiple of columns from the reference table. Here you can see two tables are present inside the test DB database. So person table, if you check the person table, you can see it's a blank table, okay, and the column the table is contain only 5 columns. One is personal ID, first name, last name, address and city, okay. So what I will do, I will create a new table with the same column. So for this what I need to do, I need to write down create table. Suppose I will create test down as, and I will take all the columns. So for this what I need to do, I need to write down select star from person. The person is the reference table here, okay. So just run the query. You can see test has been created. So let's test how many columns is containing test table. You can see all the 5 columns is added inside the test table, okay. Now I will show you how to copy all the data, or how to insert all the data from a reference table into a new table. Here I have created person 1 table which contains data, only one row I have inserted here, okay. So what I will do, I will just copy, or I will just insert all the data from person 1 to my into my new channel, new table. So for this I have to write down create table. Suppose I will name it as test1 as select star from person 1. Person 1. Okay, here you can see the test 1 is not present. Whenever I will run this query, test 1 will be here. You can see test 1 has been added. If you click here, you can see the test 1 has created with the same number of columns and with the same data, which is containing person 1 table. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.